Today's review, where we'll explore the 2026 Toyota Crown Sport, a car that blends elegance, performance, and practicality. Whether you're a longtime Toyota fan or just curious about modern crossovers, the Crown Sport is designed to impress. The exterior stands out with a coupe-like roofline and a muscular stance that sits between a sporty hatchback and a sleek crossover. The front features a large patterned grille and slim LED headlamps that give it a sharp, modern look. The sculpted hood flows into the windshield while the sides show off aerodynamic curves. At the back, the full-width LED light bar and sporty diffuser give it a confident, futuristic appeal. Inside, the cabin feels refined and high-tech. Premium materials cover the dashboard and seats with fine stitching and a clean layout. The 12.3-inch touchscreen runs Toyota's latest multimedia system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster and ambient lighting create a modern driving atmosphere. The Crown Sport offers two hybrid powertrains. The first combines a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors for about 236 horsepower, delivering smooth acceleration and excellent fuel economy. The second, the Hybrid Max, uses a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine with electric assistance to produce up to 340 horsepower and all-wheel drive. This version offers strong torque, quick response, and a more dynamic driving feel. The suspension setup balances comfort and sportiness. With adaptive variable suspension, it adjusts to road conditions and driving style. The steering feels precise, giving confidence on both city roads and highways. The cabin remains quiet and the seats are supportive, making long drives comfortable. Rear passengers also enjoy generous legroom and a panoramic sunroof that adds an open feel. Safety is a major highlight. The Crown Sport includes Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera. It also features proactive driving assist, which subtly helps with steering and braking for smoother control in traffic. Practicality is well thought out. The rear cargo area is spacious, and split-folding seats allow more flexibility for storage. A hands-free power tailgate adds convenience. On the road, the Crown Sport feels balanced and composed. The Hybrid Max delivers strong acceleration, while the standard hybrid focuses on smoothness and efficiency. Transitions between electric and gasoline power are seamless, showing Toyota's mastery in hybrid systems. The 2026 Toyota Crown Sport isn't a traditional sedan or SUV. It sits in between, offering a unique mix of luxury, performance, and style. It reflects Toyota's modern design direction and commitment to blending innovation with reliability. Overall, the Crown Sport offers comfort, performance, and sophistication in one package. With its bold design, hybrid power, and advanced tech, it's ideal for drivers who want efficiency without losing excitement. The 2026 Toyota Crown Sport proves that driving can be both practical and inspiring.